Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a Sea Ray 2023 250 SDX with the outboard option. It's a new boat of ours, ready for immediate delivery if you want to come down and take a look. Starting in transom, we do have nice size 250 Mercury outboard. Powers the boat very well. These motors are super efficient, very quiet, don't even know they're back there when they're on. Pretty great option for the motor power here. This 250 has a unique feature where the rear seat will push forward or back depending whether you're underway or at anchor. In this case, we're set up to be under anchor. You can sit back here. You have this big swim platform. Everybody's in the water. You have great visibility. You have your stereo controls over here. You have charging ports over here. You got cup holders. Really cool design by Sea Ray. When you're underway, this bolster will flip back. The whole seat will move back. And now you have a large cockpit here. So it's great for entertaining. You got L seating on this side. You got your table holder here. So if you want to have al fresco dining, nice table set up, plenty of room for everybody. You have more seating to the starboard side. As we move forward, you do see battery switch right here. Very smart by Sea Ray. Puts it right in your accessibility when you're boarding the boat. Flip that on as you get your day started. As we continue to move forward, this boat does have the bimini option, which is great. Lots of shade when you need it, those hot days. Both the bolster for the passenger side and the helm station flip forward. Again, maximizing the seating. 25-foot boat, but you can put a lot of people in this boat. It's a great, fun boat to spend the day out on the water. So we continue to move forward. We do have the Simrad multifunction display screen on this boat. You have Fusion stereo to your left. You have your toggle switches, another charge port, and your Mercury binnacle for your motor. As we step forward, I will also mention, in addition to the radio, this boat does have the upgraded sound system with the subwoofer. Sounds great. Again, what a great day to spend on the water in this boat. The 25 has lots of room here. You have your head and you have storage. So great little place to get things out of the sun for the day if you want them to stay dry. It's one of the few boats that you have underneath the helm station. So you have your walk-through on the port side, but it just gives you that extra cabin underneath. So great, another great design by Sea Ray on this boat. Continue to move forward. It is a sun deck. Sun decks are famous for their big space up here in the front. So plenty of room to sit out here when you're on the water. You do have a boarding ladder at the bow, so if you wanted to bow into a beach, easy access there as well. My name is Josh. If you have any questions about this 25 sun deck or any other boats we have in inventory here in Huntington, please give us a call. We can be reached at 631-424-2710. Again, that's 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of our talented team members can help you. Thank you for stopping by.